Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of making a finger joint box. In the previous 2 videos, if you haven't watched that, you might want to back up and watch them. I showed how to make these finger joints, and now we're going to make the top. It's increasingly getting more difficult, but it's not that hard. Here's the top I just made. So, a couple of rules of thought you got to think about. We need the top to be 2 inches by 2 inches like the sides are. I'm going to press P and put it in the center of the page. Not really that particular here, but I like drawing in the center of the page. Okay, we have 2 inches. Get out the calculator. We need something that has odd amounts. So we're going to use 7 like I did on this one. So we've got 2 inches divided by 7 equals 0.2875. 2.2875 or 57. So we're going to write that down. 0.2. I already forgot it. That's why you need to write it down. 2857. I still did it wrong. All right, so there's our rule of thought. Whoop. Let's hit P and put it back in the center of the page. Let's get this out of here and just put it up top. So we need to, just like we did on the side, we're going to take a 2-point line. And we're going to set our nudge distance on 0.2857. I'm going to double check that. Yep, 2857. It's going to round it off to 6, but I'll show you that it works. And then try to grab your line. We did draw a line there. Okay, I drew it on the side. So we got a line on the side. We're going to nudge it over that 2.857. Control D and make a duplicate. And go all the way to the edge and then come back. You don't want any center lines that are going to confuse you. 2-point line. Down. Control D. Go all the way to the bottom. Make sure your line matches and then go up. Now we still need the kerf of the wood, or the thickness of the wood. So we're going to draw another line, and we're going to change our nudge factor, nudge distance on 0.125, which is 1/8 of an inch. Control D, make a duplicate, put it all the way to the edge, make sure it matches and brings it back. Get another 2-point line, move it up. Control D, make another duplicate of it. And there's your box. Now, it helped me to have this box already drawn, because now I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete those corners because I know I don't need them. But we still need these jagged lines. That's one thing I didn't do. So let's change our nudge distance back to 0.2857. Let's make a duplicate of this line, Control D, move it down. Then I would immediately erase these lines so they will not confuse you. Because it's getting kind of confusing. Now we're going to take this line, and we already did that line. Yeah, we need this line. Control D. Control D. Make sure it matches, and it does. We can get rid of that line. We don't need that line. And we can get rid of these interior lines. So there's what we need. We've already gotten rid of our corners. So we need that line taken away. that line taken away, and that line taken away. Then we need all this taken away. And then we need to take away this inside. Now you could just do one side and then flip it over, but I find this just as easy. So we need to take that line away, that line away, that line away, and all these lines away, and take this line away and that line away. Now we need to take this line away, this line away. You're just doing just the opposite. Then I'm going to select all that. And I maybe made a mistake here. No, I'm good. Then do the same thing here as you did up top. We need this to be a hole, so we're going to take that away, and take that away. And then we can take away these lines, and then take away that inner line. And you're done with the top. Fill it in with your Smart Fill tool. Move it out of the way. And put no fill. Now it's welded together and ready to go. Hopefully just one more video and I'll show you how to make the top and make the segment for the top. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.